So what's more satisfying, sneezing or farting?
I think it's sneeze. I like a nice sneeze. You know?
Sneezing gotta be. Bro,
Yeah.
that sneeze, like, you're like,
And
you
you go,
sneeze, you're
"Ooh,
like, wow,
ooh,
that felt
that felt
amazing.
good."
Cuz, like, my body feels so relieved.
The only thing I don't like doing, I don't like sneezing at the wheel. When you drive and it's like, Jesus, take the wheel. Because like you just go,
Yeah, or
"Ah!"
you get like a good look before you sneeze,
Yeah.
and you're like, you do that joke quick as shit.
Shit. Yeah, Tony, it's like,
Quick as
Jesus,
shit,
take
yo.
the wheel at that point
Yeah,
because
bro.
that's just scary. You ever be on 95 doing that shit?
Or you got